This is about as much as I need to widen it between each bit. It's 7:30 in the morning and I have to go to work in half an hour, but first I want to do one thing. Tonight I will continue sewing and I will make this pillow. I've shown you before the tapestry that I bought in an online auction, and also this is the old yellow curtains that I tried to have in the bedroom, but I didn't like them, and then I tried to stain them with tea. And that didn't work out because the metal hoops stained the curtains really bad. But I can still use most of it, so I'm using it on the pillows on the bed. So I will sew this tonight, but I made these tassels to put in the corners, one in each. This is how they look. I made them out of wool, just like the tapestry. I will show you how I made them before I go to work. So first you need to make the string. So next I just roll around something. You can also use a piece of cardboard. It doesn't have to be round. No, okay. Then I use this to make sure that it goes through everything. Then I tie it. Make sure that both ends end up in the bottom so they can blend in with the other threads. These are the ends, and by placing them both here instead of here, like I did in one, then they, disappear among the other ones. Now the last and fun step, oops, again, do not lose this, is to giving them a haircut. First like this. Make sure that you get all of them, and then a nice haircut. And voila, you have a new tassel. Too bad. Here we go. One more pillow. As this week's vlog has been all about textiles, I thought I would also show you these beautiful bed sheets that I bought also on an auction, made with handmade lace and embroideries. So I bought 3 sets, 3 sheets with 3 pillowcases for 450 Swedish crowns, which is about 40 euros. Many vintage textiles, they don't have a great second-hand value, but these sheets are really good quality, and if I bought new ones that would look just as fresh and white, they would not last very long compared to these ones, and they would be all plain, while these ones are handmade, hand embroidered, and with handmade lace. How awesome is that?